Dora Wasserman at that time came to our school, our afternoon school, and she put on plays with us. And she was an unbelievable woman because her plays, everyone got a part. It didn't matter whether you can act or not or sing. If you wanted, you were able to be in her plays. And she was very accepting of everyone that was there. She was a very unusual woman, but she was very zerfreuden. You can see in her clothes, she didn't care whether things matched or not. It didn't matter. And but she was just she was loved by all, and she continued the theater in Montreal. It went on for many, many years, and it was like a love-hate relationship with her that people had, because she used to yell at them, she used to scream at them, she was upset with them, but they loved her. There was something about her that people loved, and her daughter is the one that is in New York, and quite a different personality, but still does a wonderful job. So thank goodness for these people who did this, because if without Dora Wasserman, and she got paid nothing until it went, and she got paid very little, but until once the Sadie Bronfman opened up, that's when she started making money, because she got paid, But before then, she didn't care. She was doing it for the love and not for the money.